Hi, Maddie fam. That's my first long video, so let me tell you that I want to reach as max OVR as I can before season ends. So that's episode 1. Make sure to like and subscribe the channel.
Another one.
Ah, shit! Had to go again.
会有冰淇淋。
Oh my god!
Few minutes later. Yeah, boy.
Nice.
Okay, let's go.
Do it! Woo! Yeah, baby! Wow!
It's been broken too many times. I don't know what to believe. Bye. Okay, let's go. Yes! 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 No! No!
Still 101 OVR. Let's play a match with this team.
Cool.
Well played, bro. Second match. You laughed at the wrong person, boy. Now I will teach you a lesson.
Too far for Ronaldo to think about it.
Hello, I'm Cristiano Ronaldo.
Ronaldo for a reason, bro. Okay, Maddie fam, bye-bye. Episode 2 will come next week.